Hi folks, Tim here again from High End Cheap Tech. Tonight we're doing that giveaway. Just a reminder here is the things we're giving away. The little A5 card phone, the DisplayPort adapter to HDMI, the stereo splitter, well, one 3.5 to two 3.5 females, and the lapel mic. So right after the intro, we'll get right to that giveaway, which we'll do on the Blue Studio phone. Very cool, I hope. Alright folks, I'm back. It's time to do that giveaway. Let's get right to it. So here we are with the good old Blue Studio Energy 2. We're ready here. We're going to pick our list out. There it is, 2 names. Only 2 people entered. So what can I say? So let's pick one. See who the winner is. Right now, this is it. Choosing. And the winner is Sebastian Gil Ruiz. So, Sebastian, leave me a comment in the description below or send me an email. If you have a computer, you'll be able to get on the channel here. Go to the About page and you can see what my email is and go from there. So, I haven't tried this. I'll try the Say Name button.
Sebastian Gil Ruiz.
There we go. Okay. So that's it. It's official. Sebastian won. Congratulations, Sebastian. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's all we got for tonight. Hopefully I'm done editing videos. It's Friday night. I'm gonna sit back and relax and watch other people's videos. Catch you later.